Hey guys, for today's video, we are at Pizza Parlor.
Pizza Avenue.
Pizza Avenue. Here's the guy. The other day. So siya gyud ang nagkikayat na mga ari sa Pizza Avenue at have a taste of sa ilahang mga buy one take one pizzas. We ordered what? Buy one take one na overload nga pizza and also katong buy one take one nila nga burger.
Chicken burger. Yung buy one take one natin ka isa ka overload then isa ka all meat.
Okay. Nice place siya. Wala kay tao and located dire lang sa may Purok Malakas. Aparente Street. Okay? So check out guys, Pizza Avenue. Dahil Pizza Avenue.
Napoli Kustuan. Mabuhay.
Pero dalawa naman, di ba? So,
kaniya mong anak hilig siya mga mga kilid-kilid ng mga pagkaon. So, pagkaonan. So, let's try and taste what Pizza Avenue is. Sarap. Kuha kayo sa ano burger. Wow.
Barato pa nito sa Alberto.
It's good. It's good.
Kasi 300.
This is good. This is mine. Ooh. Hello. It's good. It's good. So, lamig guys. Big size pizza. Ooh. Very affordable price.
yung meat nila, masarap yung mga nakbad yung ano ng all meat.
Jadi mengikut ke internship sama pun.
Nakuha kayo lang burger. Wow.
Kaya, looks delicious.
Nice.
Nice one. Let's take one clean bite.
One big bite. Ooh. Taste what? Tastes good.
Huh?
Tastes
Crispy.
humongous. It's a giant pizza. Or a giant burger.
Very good burger. Worth it. Pero nag-refresh siya pero ganun yung the crunchiness of the chicken gives it. Very crunchy.
So this is buy one take one.
Nice pa.
Okay. Kana ako ana siya.